Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 5 of Readers and Writers Workshop. We've been working on our formative task, the giant Pacific octopus. Today's Readers Workshop, I went too fast. Sorry, guys. For your Readers Workshop, you will need 30 minutes of sustained reading. Remember, you may do reading from Epic, Arc Bookshelf, or from any books that you might have at home or that you've checked out from the library. It's best if you try and stay on your level or as close as possible so that you'll be able to have good fit books for you. For your writer's workshop, you're going to complete and make sure that you have revised and edit the final draft of your response to the narrative prompt. So it says a giant Pacific octopus is hiding in its den because there are enemies nearby. It sees an unopened jar of clams that fell into the ocean with its lid still on it. How will the octopus get to the jar? How will it open the jar? Like I told you guys yesterday, you're going to need to use information that we've learned about the giant Pacific octopus throughout the week to help you answer this. Here's a little bit of kind of like a way for you to know that your writing has everything that you need it to have. So, number 1, I named and described my octopus character in the setting of my story. Number 2, I explained how my octopus character gets and eats the clams. Number 3, I described what my octopus character does about the enemies. Remember, we learned about some of their defense mechanisms. This is where you could use some of that information. Number 4, I ended my story with a description of how my character feels about the events in the story. And number 5, I used time words like first, next, before, after, then, and soon to help my reader understand when events happen in my story. Number 6, I read my story to a partner, so that could be your learning coach at home. Number 7, I asked my partner for a suggestion. Number 8, I thanked my partner for the suggestion. And number 9, I used my partner's suggestion. So you could use your learning coach at home because it's always good to have somebody go over your writing and read it and make sure that it makes sense, just like we would do in the classroom. We would switch with somebody in there. All right, guys, good luck on your writing.